Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your region settings for Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on Amazon Prime Video, but I won't be using this website to change anything. What you're going to need to do is go to the Amazon website so you can change your original Amazon account, since that is directly linked to Prime Video. So let's go to Amazon really quickly, and now that we're here, what you're going to want to do is go into hover over your account and then go into account, and you'll get to this page. Then what you want to do is go into digital content and devices, click devices, and from here you're going to click on preferences. Once you're here, what you can do is go here into country/region settings, click change, and here you're going to need to enter your new region settings to update your region. Now I won't be doing that, but once you enter your address line, you need to only enter one of these, then the city, the state, province, or region, the zip code, the country, and the phone number. You just click update, and then you'll set up your region settings for your account, and that way you can change your region settings for Prime Video as well, since everything is connected. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys are enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.